Hey guys, Al Morenton with MyFitLife. So in today's video, we're going to teach you how to make mountain milk. So I described what mountain milk is in a previous video, and we'll put a link to that in the video description below. Okay, but basically it's my favorite form of magnesium supplement. Okay, so in order to make it, we need magnesium hydroxide, some cold filtered water. It needs to be cold. We need a carbonation machine to carbonate the water with. There's a teaspoon. There's the serving that you need to put inside of what we're going to make is a teaspoon. This is a quart of water or a liter of water. It's like 32 or 33 ounces. This is a soda stream. There's various different ways to or machines that are used to carbonate water. This is a soda stream. It's a popular version. There's a line that you fill the water up to, and it's important to fill it up to that line when you're making this, okay? Because there is a reaction that happens. So we're going to go ahead and just get into what goes on, and we'll show you the actual finished product afterwards, okay? So it's very, very simple. You just place the bottle into the machine. With this machine, you should be able to let go and it stays there. And I do it the maximum carbonation. There's 3 different levels on this version. You just remove it, put the funnel in there. I have a wide mouth funnel. Now this is important to do this quickly. So you get it in there, come up here, put that on. And you can see a little reaction going, and then you just agitate it like this, like really agitate it. You have to go for 60 seconds, okay? We won't go for 60 seconds with this, but basically you have to shake it vigorously like this for 60 seconds. And this is why I call it mountain milk, because it has a milky substance. And you do that a couple times over a 24-hour period. You agitate it like that. You put it inside the refrigerator. Our kitchen is over there. And you refrigerate it. You agitate it 2 more times throughout that 24-hour period for at least 30 seconds, but preferably 60 seconds. And after 24 hours, it will look like this. The carbonation completely goes away, and the magnesium absorbs into the water. It actually becomes part of the water, and it's clear. It's really really cool. But this is concentrated though, right? So you don't want to drink this straight. You would do about 2 to 4 ounces in a 16-ounce glass of water. You would do probably about 2 to 3 ounces, and if you're doing like a 20-ounce or 32-ounce little water bottle thing, you could put that 4 ounces in there or something. Start off small and you can go bigger, because magnesium can have a laxative effect if you take a lot of it. So just be careful. It is super awesome. Sleep, migraines, all kinds of different things that it helps. And most people on the planet, like we said in the previous video, are deficient in magnesium. Like almost 100% of people on the planet are deficient in magnesium. So this is really cool. So hope this helped out with you guys. Again, this is Al Morenton with MyFitLife. Thank you, and have a beautiful day. Peace.